Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, you are a Perplexity Pro user. You paid for unlimited Pro searches. Why are you seeing a query limit reached, or basically a question limit reached, when you have barely used it today? This is one of the most confusing and stressful issues Pro users usually face. You see unlimited in the feature list, but somehow we are still hitting a wall. Why is it limited? So here's the truth. Pro Search isn't fully unlimited in the way you might think. According to Perplexity's official documentation, each time you use Pro Search or any advanced model, 1 credit is dedicated from your counter. Use credits are automatically restored exactly 24 hours after use. So that's right, Pro Search operates on a rolling 24-hour credit system, not a daily reset. And complex searches, especially those involving document analysis, can basically consume your credit faster than you would expect. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix this issue, and also I'm going to explain exactly how the Pro Search counter works. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, we want to understand the rolling 24-hour credit system. This is the most important thing to know in this tutorial according to Perplexity's official help center. Each time you use Pro Search or any advanced model, 1 credit is dedicated from your counter, so use credits are automatically stored exactly 24 hours after use. What it means, if you use, for example, 20 Pro Searches at different times, through the day, those 20 credits will each be restored exactly 24 hours after you use them. So your counter doesn't really set at midnight, it's a rolling window. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.